Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you watching this video. How are you all? I hope you all will be doing fabulous. Welcome to the online class. I hope you all will be staying at home and taking all the precautionary measures to avoid COVID-19. Kindly pray for everyone's good health too. Dear students, our today's topic is the Red Cross. This is our lesson number 10 from our book Understand and Communicate, book 2. I would like all of you to open your books at page number 48. Dear students, I have already shared a detailed video on this chapter. You are suggested to watch the video if you have not watched it yet or you have missed that video. This video is present on our school's YouTube channel so that you may better understand the lesson. Dear students, I am sharing the link of that video here. Students, today we have to do the back exercise of this chapter. So kindly all of you please open the page number 48 of your book Understand and Communicate book 2. This is the exercise from meaning in context and we have to do this exercise today. The first exercise is match each word in the first column with its meaning in the second column. The first word here is given witnessed and the meaning given in the second column is saw in person, that is number 4, and you have to write a in front of number 4. Saw in person. Witness means saw in person. The B is a new and the meaning of a new is in a new different way. In a new or different way. That is the last phrase given at the column 2. And moving forward to parable, and meaning to a parable is a simple story with a moral, that is number 7. And moving forward to vividly, its meaning is clearly and distinctly, that is number 2 here. Number 5th one, number E, is emblem and its meaning is symbol. Number F is gratitude and its meaning is thankfulness, that is number 1 in the second column. Okay, you have to write F at the thankful as the word thankfulness. Okay, moving next to the next word is best, number G, and its meaning is utmost, that is the third one given in the column number 2 in the second column. Okay, the last word H is strike and its meaning is hit, that is given at the number 5 in second column. Okay, this is our first exercise, match the column. So you have to do this exercise on your books. You don't have to do this exercise on your notebooks. Okay, don't worry if you are not having your notebooks. When you will get your notebooks back, then we will do the question answers. Okay, the next exercise which we have to do today is explain each phrase as it is used in the passage. The number first phrase, the horrors of Battle of Solferino, means cruelties and suffering of the Battle of Solferino. Number B, appalled by the sight, means shocked by the sight. Okay. Number C, a volunteer service, means a group of people working of their own free will. Next phrase, without hindrance, means without any difficulty. So moving to the next phrase, so deeply moved, and it means have very strong feelings of sympathy. This is your exercise number 2 and you have to do this exercise on your books as well. Okay, so that is our today's work. We have to do 2 exercises from our back exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. The first exercise is match the column. You have to match the column with the correct meaning. The second exercise is explain each phrase as it is used in the passage. That is all for today. So kindly do these exercises on your books. Take a lot of care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.